This video is sponsored by JLC PCB. It is a Chinese high quality PCB manufacturer company. Not just PCB, besides there are PCB assemble, PCB from 1 to 6 layer, stencil service and 3D printing service. Visit JLC PCB to know more about all those services and enjoy the benefit with few dollars. The easiest component to build this type of camera is the ESP32 cam module, which can be purchased for just few dollars. Maybe you can think that how to use it and how to program it correctly. So in this video, I'll tell you the correct way to use it properly. According to this diagram, I will place this ESP32 camera module on this breadboard. Since this board does not have any programmer, so I will use FHD programmer here. And I will set here to 5V boot mode because we need to 5V to run ESP32 cam. Now you have to select IPN 0 to ground as a programming mode. Now I will connect ESP32 cam to my laptop via data cable. Oh, I forgot about the memory card. Just as an example, here I will use 2GB memory card to record my video clip. And this is the ESP32 global code, and that you can download from the description link. You only need to provide your Wi-Fi information and your IP address. And if you want to send your photo via email, then you can enter the correct information here. And here you can see all my information writing is complete. Now I want to upload this code, and see here my code is uploading. And after uploading it, I will open this programming boot jumperware. After restarting it, open the system terminal and see here showing all information about your camera. You will even be provided with a link through which you can view your camera live streaming. Okay, let's see how it works. So I will take everything off from this breadboard. After that, I will solder to wire to connect 5V. After connecting 5V, here I will use my phone to watch live video. I will click the same link that was given to me earlier. And now see, the video showing me live here. This is very amazing, right? So everything is there, but it needs to be put into a box to be used properly. So I designed a simple box here, you can see. And after that, it took 2 hours to print it. And see, here are the all part. Okay, let's set everything up.